How to set the camera in a small room in Vray for SketchUp. Step 1. Place your camera in the room. So I'm going to draw a line for reference and place the camera at the midpoint of this line. So go to Camera and click on Position Camera. Now place the camera at the end point. Now you can see that we have a high height in the bottom corner of the software. So it's set at 1676 mm. I'm going to change it to around 1350 mm. Step 3 is I'm going to change this to a portrait render mode. So I'm going to open Asset Editor, go to Settings, and then under Render Output, I'm going to switch on Save Frame. After switching on Save Frame, I will change the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 4:5 portrait, which is the perfect shot for Instagram as well. Now I left click to position my camera correctly in the center. And then the next step would be to press the zoom tool and change the field of view from 30 to say around 20 to get a more flatter render. Finally, the last step would be to go to camera and switch on 2-point perspective. This way all your lines will be perfectly horizontal and vertical. And then of course the final step would be to add a scene. So let's go to Scenes and add a scene. Join the complete SketchUp and Vray course for interior design course and learn to create renders just like these. Please do like and subscribe if you like such content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers!